Okay, so before we jump into what all this means long term, let's just take a breath, process everything we've learned so far. We've got a president who's all in on crypto, markets going haywire, and the crypto world, well, they're still trying to figure out what it all means.
It's a lot, and the craziest part is this isn't just about crypto, it's about the future of finance, the whole system. It's like we're watching a paradigm shift in real time.
It's wild, right?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
are we moving away from the traditional financial
Mhm.
systems? Are we heading towards something completely new? I have so many questions.
I know, me too. So many questions. It really is. And it gets even more interesting when you start thinking about the long term.
Totally. This move, it says a lot about how governments, especially the US, are starting to view crypto. This isn't just about investing anymore. It's bigger than that. It's about power, control, maybe even the future of money itself.
Right. It's a huge shift from the Biden administration. They were all about regulation, control, remember? But Trump, he's embracing it, almost weaponizing it.
It's like he's saying, hey, world, the US isn't just going to play in the crypto space. We're going to dominate it.
Exactly. And that's got to be a little unsettling for other countries, right? Think about it. If the US becomes the crypto capital of the world, like Trump's been saying, it could trigger a whole new kind of arms race. A crypto arms race, you could call it.
A crypto arms race.
Okay.
Okay, now you've got my attention. What does that even mean? Like, are we going to be stockpiling Bitcoin instead of nukes?
Haha. It's a dramatic image, but you're not far off. Think about it. The US dollar, it's the world's reserve currency. That gives the US a ton of power. But what if cryptocurrencies, especially ones backed by governments, start to gain traction? Other countries, especially the ones who aren't exactly fans of the current US-dominated system, they might feel like they have to create their own crypto reserves just to keep up.
So it's like a power play, a way for other countries to challenge US dominance, but with Bitcoin and Ethereum instead of missiles.
You got it. And that raises so many questions. What would a world with multiple national crypto reserves even look like? Would it be more stable, more volatile? Would it lead to more cooperation or more conflict? It's a whole new game.
And it goes beyond governments too, right? We've talked before about central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. How does that fit into all of this?
It's all connected. A lot of experts think that this crypto strategic reserve is actually a step towards the US launching its own CBDC, a digital dollar.
Really? So they're buying up all this crypto now as like practice for creating their own digital currency.